Ctube produces Schedule 40 and Schedule 80 rigid PVC conduit with UL 651 certified. We have a full range of size, from ½ inch to 8 inch for Schedule 40 and Schedule 80 rigid. The standard length is 10 feet and 20 feet with a belt end. Other lines are plain and can be customized. Our Schedule 40 and Schedule 80 rigid PVC conduits are made by high-quality, eco-friendly PVC raw material, exceed the cell classification as described in Standard Specification ASTMD 1784. Let's have a look. The color of the conduit is uniform and glossy. The outside and interior of the conduit is very smooth. Our rigid PVC conduits provide a smooth raceway for the pulling of wires and cables. Our Schedule 40 and Schedule 80 rigid PVC conduits are UL listed. They have excellent performance on tensile strength, impact and crush resistance, and fire resistance, suitable for underground or above-ground applications. Our conduits are also sunlight resistant, can be directly used in the harsh outdoor environment. We have been cooperating with distributors and relators, also providing our Schedule 40 and Schedule 80 rigid PVC conduit to construction companies.